Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you all have most likely seen, there's lots of new image generation and video generation models. From Veo3 to Runway AI, these models have surpassed the latest capabilities and are currently at the cutting edge. And as a creator, it might feel like you have to constantly jump between a dozen different AI websites. One for text to image, another for video generation, a third for upscaling, a fourth for special effects. It's exhausting, right? What if I told you that you can close all those tabs and now there's a single unified platform that brings the most powerful AI models together in one place? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. Pollo AI just got a massive upgrade, and it might just be the all-in-one creative suite we've been looking for. In this video, we're going to do a deep dive, and I'm not just going to show you the features, but we're also going to build a project from scratch. From a simple idea to a finished video. Okay, here we are logged into the new Pollo AI dashboard. The first choice that you would have to make is in the Create New, where you have an easy mode that allows you to create specifically image to video, text to video, videos to video, or also text to image and image to image. Let's start off with easy mode. Think of this as your express lane for creation, perfect for beginners or when you have a clear idea and just want a result fast. For example, let's do a quick text to video demonstration. So I'll click text to video. Okay, so now let's choose our model. As you can see here, there's lots of different options, which is perfect because we can choose any of the new models offered. And as you can see, they charge by credits. So I have 804 credits right now. And as you can see, the latest Google models are fairly expensive, around 150 credits for the fast or 280 for the full model. And we also have the cheaper Pollo 1.6 model, which is very quick and is the cheapest. Let's try out Google Veo3 Fast. So for a prompt, let's go with a majestic eagle soaring through the mountain range at sunset. Now let's choose our resolution. I think for this one, it's fixed at 720. And we also can choose the number of output videos. For now, I'll choose one and let's create. And here we have our task running. And there we have it. It was pretty quick, under a minute. Let's take a look. Let me also add the audio. I would say it was a pretty decent clip. The audio was very good, and the physics of flying were better than the older Veo2 models. But as you can see, there are still some inconsistencies like right here. But nonetheless, a pretty great model for the fast version and pretty good result. So we can also check out the other offerings in the easy mode. So as you can see, the easy mode is fantastic for this, for easy quick tasks. Another example would be text to image. So in text to image, we have also a lot of different options, from Google's Imagen4 to various Flux models and also the DALL-E models. Let's try Flux Dev Laura. And for this option, let's also create a similar prompt, but the image version. We can also choose our aspect ratio here. Yep, and here we have it. It took around 30 seconds. And the images do look pretty good. Definitely very good quality, and also it definitely follows the style that we're looking for. So I think we got an idea of how the easy mode works. So let's also take a look at the real power of Pollo AI and their new offering, which is the Canvas mode. Canvas mode is a professional grade, multi-layered workspace designed for complex projects. It lets you generate assets, edit them, and compose them together in a non-destructive way. This is where Pollo AI goes from a simple generator to a full-blown creative studio. So let's get started with chat to image. So for our project, we're going to create a scene. My idea is let's test a biopunk scientist in a futuristic lab. Instead of just writing a prompt, we're going to use this chat to image feature, which is powered by GPT-4o. This lets you have a conversation to refine your idea. So let's create an image of a scientist first of all. So let's create an image of a scientist in a lab filled with glowing plants. And for the aspect ratio, let's choose a 2:3. Okay, great. These images look pretty good. But let's make the style a bit more biopunk and add more organic technology. Let's also generate one image this time, and let's see. And it looks pretty good. So what we can do now is click Add to Canvas. As we can see, we have InPaint, Upscale, Uncrop, Erase, Remove BG, and Crop. Since the original composition is a bit tight, we can use the Uncrop to expand the scene and give it some breathing room. Let's try that. I would like it to be a bit more wider here, and let's uncrop. Okay, perfect. It does a pretty good job uncropping the ceiling. The floor is a bit inconsistent, so let's try Erase, and let's actually do InPaint. And let's see how well it does. So let me increase the brush size. And then for the prompt, let's have it as a lab table. Okay, cool. It does a bit better. And just like that, we can also increase the granular control here, which is really fantastic, by upscaling. I'd like to upscale by 2x. Upscaling allows our image to be super crisp by increasing the resolution. Great, it's done, and it was fairly quick. Let's see how it looks. We can definitely see a lot more finer detail, like the reflection in the glasses and the background. Perfect. I'll now download the image without watermark. This is available for the Pro plan. Next, let's explore the image to video option in the canvas mode. So here we're going to choose image to video. Let's try a different model. Let's do Kling 2.1. And let's just upload the image that we just downloaded. For the aspect ratio, let's do 16 by 19, including just this part. Usually that's the YouTube standard resolution. For a prompt, let's do a scientist growing a futuristic laboratory. Let's keep it standard mode, keep it 5 seconds, and let's output one video. Let's see how it looks. Perfect, it took just under a minute. Let's take a look at the video. Yeah, it looks pretty good, especially for Kling 2, which is more focused on smoother motion, and can definitely see that in the particles here and also the growing of the plant. Let's add a sound effect. And for our prompt, let's do a biopunk music generate. Perfect, that was very quick. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, the audio actually matched pretty well with the motion in the video. But let's say we wanted to change the style entirely. This is where video to video comes in. So let me download this video without watermark, and let's head over to the video to video option over here. Let me upload this video. And for our style, let's choose a Disney Pixar closer style. And for the prompt, I don't think it's necessary. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. This video took around 4 minutes, and does a decent job of replicating the Disney Pixar style. There are some inconsistencies like around the eyes, but in general, it does a very good job in replicating the style. Now let's quickly jump over to the Effects Lab and also take a look at this. The Effects Lab has a lot of different examples to create eye-catching social media content. For example, let's do the AI 3D miniature scene generator and create. And there we have it. It was very quick, and this is a very nice and realistic portrayal of the image in a AI 3D miniature setting. Another one I love is the motion brush, where you can literally paint movement onto a static image. These tools are fantastic for when you need to create something fun and dynamic really fast. So the big question is, what is this all going to cost? So let's take a look at their pricing page. As you can see, there is a free plan, and the free plan, you can generate up to 2 free videos, and also when you check in daily, you earn free credits. So even if you're not paying, you can consistently stack up credits to use on your projects. If you decide to upgrade, the paid plan unlocks all the pro features you'd expect, creating multiple tasks at once. You also have no watermarks on your final exports, full copyright protection for your creations, and up to 80 videos per month. For any serious creators, so let's recap. We went from a simple conversational prompt, complete with multiple layers and sound, all within a single browser tab. The new Pollo AI, especially with Canvas mode, is a monumental step forward. It successfully combines the variety of the best AI models with the practicality of a professional editing workflow. This is, I believe, a very helpful platform and your one-stop shop for all AI image and video creation. Hit the link in the description below to sign up and get a nice offer. Let me know in the comments what you think. See you in the next one.